Factoring of difference of two square. Example number 1. X squared minus y squared. To get the factor of the difference of a two square, get the square root of the first term. The first term is x squared. The factor is x and x. Get the next term, negative y. Y and y. It should be positive and negative because the product is negative. The answer for x squared minus y squared is x plus y times x minus y. Next, sum of two cubes. Example number 1, x cubed plus y cubed. To get the cubes of x cubed minus y cubed, first is get the cube root of the first and the second term. The cube root of x cubed plus y cubed is equals to x plus y. To get the product, you should multiply the first term and the second term to x squared minus xy plus y squared. First is multiply the first term. The first term is x. X times x squared is equals to x cubed. X times negative xy is equals to negative x squared y. Next is x multiplied by y squared is equals to xy squared. Next is the y. Y multiplied by x squared is equals to x squared y. Y times negative xy is equals to negative x y squared. Next is y multiplied by y squared is equals to y cubed. To get the cubes, you should cancel the first and the middle term. The middle term is negative x squared y plus xy squared. Cancel the middle term, x squared y and the x squared y. It should be cancelled, and this is 1, it's cancelled. Bring down x cubed plus y cubed. The answer is x cubed plus y cubed. Proceed to the next. The next is the difference of two cubes. The given is 8a cubed minus 27b cubed. Get the cube root of the 8a cubed and negative 27b cubed. The cube root is 2a minus 3b. Then multiplied by 4a squared plus 6ab plus 9b squared. First is multiply the first term to the polynomial. Okay. 2a multiplied by 4a squared is equals to 8a cubed. 2a multiplied by 6ab is equals to 12a squared b. 2a multiplied by 9b squared is equals to 18ab squared. Then the second term, negative 3b multiplied by 4a squared. The answer is negative 12a squared b. Next is negative 3b multiplied by positive 6ab is equals to negative 18ab squared. And the last is negative 3b multiplied by positive 9b is equals to 27b cubed. Now, it has the same term. So, it will be cancelled. And this one is cancelled. And bring down the answer 8a cubed minus 27b cubed.